up, guys?
We'll introduce some dagashi, which is Japanese snacks.
Dagashi are made from cheap ingredients.
And they are filled with our childhood memories. Because we used to eat them when we were kids.
Okay then, the first dagashi is... chewing gum!
Damn, that takes me back. This smells sweet, so I like it. And it's so cheap at just 10 yen. Holy
Damn, it's so tasty, man! Its flavor is yogurt.
taste.
Show me. Can you? Oh! Moreover, there was something to look forward to when we finished eating. If you could see an atari paper in the package, it is lucky, and you can get one more gum for free.
That was one of the real thrills. Well, the next is Futame!
Hey! I was waiting for it.
This one has lucky point too, right?
Yeah, I get a romantic feel about Rocky snacks.
Futame has 4 different flavors. They are pork bone, soy sauce, curry, and salty.
Oh, damn! 4 flavors. Ooh.
Just add hot water and wait 3 minutes.
Then let's eat.
It comes with a plastic fork.
It's tasty. You wanna try it?
Next is Umaibo!
Oh! Thank you.
Thank you. Do you know what is it?
Yeah, this is very famous.
Umaibo has many flavors. Do you know how many it has?
About 10?
Nah, I think about 20. No, you guys are wrong. There are more than 30 flavors.
What the bro?
Damn.
Damn.
They even has nut.
Are you kidding me?
You guys didn't even know that, right? Ha 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 ha. Delicious.
I can feel spicy. It's mentaiko. What is it?
Corn potage.
What is it?
Cheese.
It's f***ing tasty. I like it. Can I show you the best snack?
What is it?
It's naru 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 naru.
I wanna eat it right now!
I know, right?
I think it's tasty and fun to make too.
Yes, then let's make it.
Yeah.
Put the first powder in the bowl. Add water. Mix in the second powder. Put the small candy in another bowl. Eat the mixture and candies together with a spoon.
I think it's great that I can enjoy making it myself.
Enjoyable to make, good taste, it's awesome.
We think so too, bro. Next, cocoa cigarette. I used to eat it a lot. It can make me feel like I'm smoking a cig.
Yeah, this is a cool snack.
When I eat it, everyone thinks I'm so cool.
I know.
haha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's like cigarette.
Yeah.
You're so cool.
You're cool too. You guys are cool.
Finally, I will show you the last one. そのまんま.
Damn! This includes 3 bowls and 2 are tasty, but only one is very, very sour, right?
Yes, you're right. It's like Russian roulette.
Let's play rock, scissors, paper.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper.
I get this one.
Det kan.
Let's eat it. I'm safe. Damn, you hit it?
Bullshit!
Your face is red. You okay? This is one part of Japanese culture, isn't it?
Yes. The great things of Japan are not only sushi and ramen.
Japan has a lot of snacks like these.
So when you visit Japan, you can try these interesting snacks. See
you
you guys.